You know, I really thought this was going to be a success story, but it's not. I made a video yesterday talking about the entry that I had on Amazon, and today we were up very nicely. Looked like the market was going to run. I ended up having my profits go from a win down to a loss, which is whatever. We are completely expecting that as we're testing this out. But it sucks because I went from a massive profit all the way down to like I ended up losing $230. So definitely not a bad trade, right? Exactly what we're looking for. Mass amounts of upside for very small downside, capping my losses at $230 loss on $30,000 is pretty damn nice. Excuse me. So we're going to talk about why we entered, why we exited, and how this thing can play out in the future, because I've been messing with this a little bit more and I want to kind of share this with you. So hit the like button, subscribe. Check out our Discord community. It's completely free. The link is in the description. You get access to free courses, free live streams, free seminars, and free webinars. And if you want access to all of my bots and get direct entries and exits from our Discord community based off of everything we're talking about here, once you're in our Discord community, just go to the upgrade section and it's only $1 a day. Go ahead and check it out, guys, and let's get into it. So looking at Amazon, like we were talking about, our entry is an 1122 cross up. So an 11 EMA crosses up through a 22 with the RSI over 50. Our exit condition is if we're not up by at least 2.5% after 7 candles, we close the trade, or if the 11 crosses back down through the 22. And if you run this, you can see that we'd make a 106% return, while the stock would have done a 21% return. So a very viable strategy. Now, the issue is it's a coin toss. It's a 50-50. We saw that in the back testing that we initially did yesterday. So what ended up happening was I entered the position, really good, and then we ended up seeing this nice push up this morning, and then this pullback. And what happened here, let's actually go through and show you, is that we were saying that if we get the 1122 cross down, or if blank candles pass, in this case 7, and we're not up by 2.5%, we're getting out. Well, guess what happened, right? We had 7 candles pass and we were not up by 2.5%. So that's why I closed the position. The 11 did not cross through the 22, but the secondary part of this, the most important part too, is that I just wasn't up enough. So I'm completely cool with that. And I ended up closing out the position for a loss of $211 or $257. Now, as far as technical analysis here, it looks like we're probably going to bounce off this 200 SMA. Traditionally, I would keep this position because we have a really strong support and a really strong support that's upon this point of control, but then we also have a strong support, which is this 200 SMA. So it's looking like we're going to try to hold a bit of a head and shoulders though, which isn't looking good. But if we do snap 97 and we get down to like 96.80, I would definitely be cutting positions, but I closed simply because that's what the bot told me to do. So I wanted to come through, I want to share this with you, and if you guys want access to any of the perks we have below, check it out in the description, and I will share more of this content with you guys in the future. Peace.